Ever wondered what it feels like to hold the future and super advanced tech in your hand? Well, this is what the company CMF claims for their new creation, but is it actually worth it? This new smartphone promises to blend affordability with the distinctive focus of color, material, and finish that CMF stands for. Positioned as a more accessible option with slightly pared down specifications, the CMF Phone 1 aims to bring premium design and functionality to a broader audience. So stick with us till the very end so you don't miss the jaw-dropping specifications of this phone. The CMF Phone 1, fresh off its global debut this week, is already gearing up for its first software update. According to online sources, this update, clocking in at 120 megabytes, promises a slew of enhancements. Photography fanatics will be pleased with the multiple camera improvements, while general users can look forward to bug fixes and a handful of exciting new features. As a reminder, the CMF Phone 1 is the company's inaugural foray into the smartphone market, powered by the robust MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset. It offers configurations with 6GB or 8GB of RAM and 120GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth performance and ample space for all your apps and media. The device also features a stunning 6.67-inch Super AMO LED display with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, providing a visually immersive experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply browsing. When it comes to photography, the CMF Phone 1 is no slouch. Its rear camera setup boasts a formidable 50MP main sensor, accompanied by an auxiliary depth sensor to add dimension and detail to your shots. For selfie aficionados, the 16MP front-facing camera ensures you capture every moment with clarity and style. Powering this impressive device is a strong 5000 MHz battery designed to keep you connected and entertained throughout the day. With 33-watt fast charging capabilities, the CMF Phone 1 can power up to 50% in just 20 minutes, making quick top-ups a breeze. Now that's mind-blowing, isn't it? The company claims that the battery life can last up to 2 days on a single charge, giving you peace of mind and uninterrupted usage. Here's the complete changelog for the latest update, and it's packed with exciting new features and improvements. First up, the update introduces tips and feedback for Nothing OS, accessible through settings, offering users helpful insights and an easy way to provide feedback. Additionally, a new date widget has been added, allowing you to swipe through to the next day's date seamlessly. A fresh swipe down function for incoming notifications has also been implemented, opening a convenient pop-up view for instant access, which can be enabled via settings under System and Pop-up View. To top it all off, the update includes a Android July security patch, ensuring your device stays secure with the latest protections. The latest update brings a host of enhancements to the CMF Phone 1's camera capabilities, making it an even more formidable photography tool. Zoom clarity has been significantly improved, ensuring sharper and more detailed shots in various scenarios. Night scene photography has also received a boost, capturing stunning low-light images with greater clarity and reduced noise. HDR video recording is now optimized, delivering richer and more balanced visuals. The interface during vivid mode has been refined for a smoother user experience. Portrait mode images now boast improved effects, adding a professional touch to your photos. The front camera sees a notable upgrade with enhanced color accuracy and better skin tone performance, making your selfies look more natural and vibrant. The update also corrects color inaccuracies in some scenes and resolves issues with low brightness, ensuring consistent image quality across different lighting conditions. Lastly, the problem with the filter not loading when taking motion photos on the rear camera has been fixed, making sure you never miss capturing those dynamic moments perfectly. The latest update doesn't just stop at camera enhancements, it also brings a slew of general improvements to ensure a smoother and more stable user experience. For starters, the launcher stability has been significantly bolstered, effectively resolving crash issues that some users had encountered. Scrolling through your apps and content has never been smoother, with noticeable reductions in lag, especially when using specific features. The update also fine-tunes the fingerprint unlocking process, making it more responsive and seamless. An issue that previously caused fingerprint registration to fail when using a screen protector has been addressed, ensuring hassle-free setup and usage. Additionally, a stuttering problem that some users face during unlocking has been fixed, allowing for a fluid and uninterrupted experience from the moment you pick up your device. The CMF Phone 1's display impresses with its 8-bit color support, offering 2 distinct modes to cater to different visual preferences. In the settings, you can choose between Alive and Standard. The Alive mode targets the vibrant DCI-P3 color space, delivering rich and dynamic hues, while the Standard mode aims for a more subdued and accurate sRGB spectrum. Both modes excel in color accuracy, ensuring your content looks its best. Interestingly, the CMF Phone 1 lacks popular HDR hardware certifications and does not support HDR video playback. However, the phone's marketing materials highlight its capability of Ultra HDR with a 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio for photos, promising stunning image quality. I bet you didn't expect this now. In terms of HDR decoding, the phone supports HDR10, HDR10 Plus, and HLG, though it does not include Dolby Vision support. The display features a 120Hz maximum refresh rate and a 240Hz touch sampling rate marketed as adaptive. This means the phone can operate at either 120Hz or 60Hz without intermediate modes like the popular 90Hz. You can choose between 2 refresh rate settings. One locks the display at 60Hz while the other intelligently switches between 120Hz and 60Hz based on your interaction. When you're actively using the phone, it runs at a smooth 120Hz, but if you leave it idle for a few seconds, it drops to 60Hz to conserve battery life. Moreover, the phone automatically recognizes full screen video playback and adjusts the refresh rate to 60Hz, further optimizing energy consumption. While this system might not be the most sophisticated on the market, it effectively balances performance and efficiency, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable user experience. And for a regular price of just $199, what do you think? Isn't it a big catch? Whether you're looking for style, functionality, or a blend of both, the CMF Phone 1 has it all. Stay tuned for more updates and be sure to let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech news and reviews.